Hi, my name is Cheryl, and I'm a very late diagnosed autistic woman who also happens to have ADHD. Today, I really want to talk about autistic inertia because although it's believed to be common, it's still being researched. So, what is inertia anyway? If you were to ask my fifth grade students, they would hopefully tell you that a body in motion stays in motion and a body at rest stays at rest. And that's because the body resists anything that threatens to change its position or its motion. So autistic inertia specifically refers to the tendency to want to remain in a constant state. Now, as you can imagine, that means it's very hard sometimes to get things started. But once we get things started, it's hard to stop. Now, being in motion might seem like a really productive state to be in, but a lot of times we don't stop for like anything. Eating, drinking, going to the bathroom. And this can lead to exhaustion and also a lot of irritated family members who might be waiting for you to sit down and eat dinner or to get ready and go somewhere. So what can we do about it? Here are 3 strategies that can help you with autistic inertia. Number 1 is get a clear understanding of what is expected and why. So many times it's hard for us to complete a goal if we don't have a really clear understanding of exactly what's expected and why we're doing it in the first place. So ask someone, or you might have to ask yourself, why am I doing this? Why do I need to stop? Well, I need to stop because my kids are waiting for me to make dinner and they need to eat. Why do I need to start? Well, I need to start getting ready for bed because I need to get to bed at a decent hour, okay? The second strategy would be to start a new routine. We love routines. We are creatures of habit. So we can create a new routine around our rest times and our motion times. And if we need to, we can write this down. We could set a timer, or we could plan ahead to stop at a certain achievement mark. So for example, I can mow the yard today and I can clip the hedges tomorrow. The third strategy would be remind ourselves of the reward. There's always a reward. If I stop now, then I can have a hot shower and it feels so good to be clean and I can put on my comfy clothes and maybe I can have a glass of wine. Or if I start getting ready for bed, and we all know how long it takes each of us to start getting ready for bed and then getting into bed and how long it takes to get to sleep, the reward will be that you get enough sleep that you have a lot of energy for tomorrow. So let me know if this resonates with you. Do you personally struggle with autistic inertia? And what strategies do you use to break the momentum? Thanks so much and have an awesome day.